How's it going, everyone? Today's video is about editing, and in specific, this basic editing tip that has helped me throughout the last couple years and hopefully will help you. If you got a lot of footage and you've been shooting for 8, 16, 24 hours over the last few days and you just are like overwhelmed with footage, this will get you to that point so you can start making the video you want. So let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see, I have Michael Henry Reptiles project open here. And I already made another project file called example opening a project. So if I were to start a normal project and I would have everything already synced, so then I would just go down normally as like a first project and I would add each clip to it. I'm pressing E right now. E directs the clip, highlighted clip, to the back of your timeline. You're watching the footage. Let's see how it would play. This is Michael.
Because I blacked out and barked on his shoes, he said, "It's all good, boss." Yeah, and one time when he caught me stealing $20 out of his wallet, he was like, "Here you go, boss." So
obviously that's at just normal, playing at normal rate, normal speed. It's kind of moving slow. I don't even have any action from Michael there, even though this is Michael's coverage. So what I would normally do, I would normally start from the top. That was just a random moment. I would highlight all the clips in here. You could do that, or you could do Command A. Command A highlights it as well. Go into here, custom 175. So bring that from 100 to 175, and now that runs about 56 minutes for all the footage I shot. So let's see how much it would have been before. An hour 39. So I just saved myself 40 minutes by expediting that whole project into 175 speed, 1.75 speed. So a lot of people may say,
"Hey, you're bringing the footage too fast. You might be missing some good bits and pieces."
well, my thing is, you're just trying to get to the point where you can start watching it in real time and just getting the meat. There's a lot of times when you're filming where, you know, you have a little extra footage at the top end, you have a little extra footage in the middle, some people mess up, maybe there's a plane overhead by, maybe you hear a lawnmower, little things like that that you don't really expect. That instead of watching that in real time at 100%, you can kind of speed that up to a 175, 200, just kind of get past it. So you're just seeing the meat of the clips. So even if you're shooting a documentary style or you're just doing B-roll especially, when you're shooting and walking around, sometimes you put the camera down, you walk for a block, and oh, that's a pretty cool shot, and you lift it up. You just kind of get to that point where you just shot to shot to shot. Good dialogue, good dialogue, good dialogue. So you're not getting caught up in all the hubbub of the other parts of the shoot. The goal for this is to trim out all the fat. See, because as an editor, you should still watch all your footage, but this is gonna trim out all your fat.
Wait, was it a deal? I had the time of my life last night. I'm not saying you really just have to go pizza party.
For real, I can't believe I ate that much cheese and carbs.
So I saw that.
For real, I can't believe I ate that much cheese and carbs.
Yeah, you really didn't have that cheese
B.
I never say no to free Gouda.
board. That cheese board.
I never say no to free Gouda.
Well, did you see?
So I'm just getting Michael's main parts here, getting Michael's main clips, Michael's main dialogue, finding the moments I like, and it's all just expedited. It's happening quick. I'm gonna watch 40 less minutes of footage. When you get to the point of, this is what it was afterwards.
I had so much fun last night. I had the time of my life last night. Oh my god, same. Oh my god, I had so much fun last night. I had so much fun last night. I had the best time last night. I had the time.
So then, you know, you get to the point where, you know, then you have all your clips there, you have your choices, you have your options, and then you get it to, you know, after obviously just editing it and like adding some music, you get it to a project.
Same. Luke really knows how to throw the best pizza parties.
For real, I can't believe I ate that much cheese and carbs.
Yeah, you really went in on that charcuterie board.
Honey, I never say no to free Gouda.
Wait, did you meet Luke's roommate Adam last night?
Expedite your footage, crank it down from the normal speed to about 1.75, 200. This works really well too if you shoot a lot of slow motion stuff. And if you use slow motion, this will be effective for it as well, because you can kind of skim through it and pick out the main things that you like. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this tip helped out. If you liked it and helped you out, definitely subscribe, like. I'm going to be doing more editing tips like this. I know this tip has really helped me over the last couple years, because the more I shoot, the more, you know, I want to just get to the meat of the project and find the right cuts, find the right takes. And a lot of times I can kind of expedite that process by speeding up the footage and going through it quicker. Hopefully you have a great day, and may you have the best week of your life.